In a landmark decision, Karnataka has cancelled the 4-year degree program, making it a significant victory for student activists who have been protesting the National Education Policy 2020 for 2 years. The All India Democratic Students Organization led the movement, highlighting the power of student activism and responsive governance. To celebrate this achievement, a state-level students' convention was held at Freedom Park in Bengaluru, featuring guests such as Professor A. Murigappa, retired Vice Chancellor of Hampi Kannada University, and V.N. Rajashekhar, the All India President of AIDSO. Rajashekhar emphasized the importance of student unity and perseverance in an exclusive interview with Daily Salar Digital, stating that this victory demonstrates the strength of student activism. Mahantesh Pillur, AIDSO Karnataka's State Office Secretary, also noted the extensive efforts and surveys that contributed to this success. AIDSO leaders, including State President Ashwini KS and State Secretary Ajay Kamnath, spoke at the event celebrating the victory and advocating for a more student-friendly educational framework.
Today's event is in Karnataka, the 4-year degree, which is part of National Education Policy 2020, has been withdrawn by the Karnataka state government. So today we organized a victory convention here. This we could achieve because of the relentless struggle of the students, teachers and professors. Under the leadership of AIDSO, we developed a movement from the last more than 2 years against this 4-year degree program, which is highly discriminatory, which is a burdensome on the students, and it is a serious threat to quality and standard of education. Because of the student movement, we could force the state government, not only the state government, even the central BJP government, because when the state government was forced to give back the 4-year degree, there was a constant pressure from the central government, even from the UGC. But still, as from AIDSO, not only in Karnataka, all over the country, we are developing student movement against NEP 2020. This created a tremendous pressure on even the BJP government. Finally, they were forced to concede to the mood of the people, demand of the people, and 4 years has been withdrawn. So, from this convention, students have gone with a resolve. We have defeated 4-year degree program here. This struggle should continue, ultimately to stall NEP at all India level.
Last 2 years back, here in Karnataka also, Karnataka government, last BJP government, they also implemented against which students led a historic movement. So organized by AIDSO, we have raised 36 lakh signatures and we have collected many intellectuals, eminent personalities. They stood with us, and students, we organized many huge movements. We did a very huge survey across the Karnataka. As a result of these students' glorious movements, sustained movements, now the Karnataka sitting Congress government has withdrawn the NEP and they have taken back this 4-year degree program also, sir. So here today we AIDSO have organized a victory celebration meeting here in Freedom Park today.
So what will be the issues for the student if NEP is being implemented?
If NEP is being implemented, sir, main threat is the NEP says government institutes, those who are public funded institutes, their number is to be reduced. For example, sir, when NEP was implemented in Karnataka 2 years back, they announced to close down 13,800 government schools. It was nothing but NEP. And they also tried to make many public funded institutes as autonomous institutes. For example, UVC Engineering College, they tried to make it as autonomous institute. So as NEP main recommendation is to make privatization, commercialization, and main danger is, sir, corporatization, by which they want to give away the education sector to the hands of corporate houses, which we oppose strongly.
The Karnataka government has scrapped NEP 2020. scrapped that also on 4-year degree course, which is a big victory. We organized a survey throughout the state, nearly all the districts. More than 22,000 students were involved in this survey, and they said we don't want 4-year degree course, only 3-year course, which was time tested before. This was implemented without any consultation, without following any democratic process. So we organized this movement, and here we believe that united movement alone is the solution for the any problem or any injustice in the education system, and we will continue this movement because there are so many problems still, starting from primary to higher education. So we demand the government should take the responsibility of funding from pre-KG to PhD.
Why do you feel that 4-year degree course is unscientific?
One reason is, sir, there was no proper preparation when they implemented, and there was no proper syllabus, and there is multiple exit, multiple entry system, which means to say that they can exit in 1 year, they'll give a diploma course, a degree, but here we feel that they are legalizing the dropouts, which is not correct. Rather, they should create a condition where everybody should be able to read whatever they want. And these lecturers themselves, they said the syllabus is very much below standard, and there is no comprehensive learning. So this is why, and also cafeteria approach. A science student should read an arts subject, commerce subject, which is not time tested. We believe they must consult educationists really who are stakeholders. That's why we say it's unscientific.
And what do you think students will face the problems if NEP is implemented?
If NEP is implemented, education will become 100% commoditized. It will be privatized. Foreign universities will come here and they will make privatization 100%, because of which majority of the children, whoever are able to get some education, will be deprived. So we want 100% funding from government and all should get free education.
Karnataka state government has revoked 4-year degree course in the state. With deep happiness, we share that this is the first state in the country to revoke implementation of NEP 2020. After tremendous movement of students, teachers, principals, retired vice chancellors, led by AIDSO and other organizations, relentless movement. It started in 2021 December. After 2.5 years of relentless struggle, Karnataka government has finally taken back 4-year degree course. We feel it is a historic victory because even as there are many non-BJP governments in the entire country, none of the non-BJP governments have revoked NEP 2020, rather they are implementing it. Just a week back, Kerala government, they implemented 4-year degree course, but Karnataka is the only state where it has taken back, and it is purely not because of electoral reasons, it is due to the pressure of people's movement, and today the victory movement is organized in this background.
What will be the issues if NEP is being implemented?
So we already have some examples. Raichur Government Degree College, GFGC Raichur, it used to have admissions beyond 1,500. Now it has come down to 300 after 4-year degree course. In Gulbarga, similar problem. Government Autonomous College, admissions have come down by more than 50%. Here two important institutions are there near to Freedom Park. One is Maharani College, another is Government Science College. Both have turned into cluster university post implementation of NEP. Maharani Cluster University it is. Admission used to be more than 2,000 and the fee would be below 5,000. Now fee has gone beyond 15,000. Admission has come down to 400. Government Science College, fee was 3,500. Now it starts from 12,000 and goes up to 25,000. And both are government colleges. These are the largest attacks of NEP 2020. Another important fact is, if the number of students in government schools are less, NEP recommends that schools should be closed down. If it is implemented, more than 30,000 government schools in the country will be shut down in the name of merger. So these are the facts against which we are protesting about NEP 2020.
What are the problems you have been facing as the first batch of NEP students?
So we are the first batch of NEP. So when they implemented this policy, we suffered a lot because including principals, lecturers, they did not have any idea about the policy, and we did not get syllabus timely. Exams were near, though we did not have clarity about anything, and they introduced many new things such as open elective and all. And it was, being an art student, we had to choose either commerce or science subject for that, and that was imposed. And many undemocratic things they imposed in this policy. And regarding UUCMS and all, till now we are facing lot of technical issues. In my college, many students' data itself has been erased. So there is no proof that we have studied these 3 years. There is no proof. And many students, they did not get that chance of writing exams on every odd sem because of some evaluations issues and all. And major issue what we faced is due to this uncertainty of the academics. The first year itself was of 1.5 year, and now actually it has been more than 3 years. Final year. Still now the lot of uncertainty. Each university is in different. Our college in Ballari, we are in still 5th semester, and Mysore University and all, they have already finished their 6th semester also. So for our masters, we are finding very much difficulty because of this uncertainty in all over Karnataka. There are many chaos regarding this, and till now they did not give even marks card of first semester. Now I am in a 5th semester, so all these technical issues are there, and they did as teachers they were not aware of the syllabus and all. We are the most unfortunate guinea pig kind of students that they did not even we are deprived of the education what we had to avail. We are deprived of it.
So what is your demand from the government?
So we demanded from initially itself, we demanded to we rejected NEP, we wanted them to take it back, and we want as AIDS also demand scientific, secular and democratic education for all. So it should be democratically all education is taking the opinion of students, educationists and parents and all. They have to frame a democratic policy which should give them a real education and free education for all students. So many students they cannot go to higher education. So this what are already problems in the education system that has to be resolved first. My classmates from first year, now they have come, the strength has been drastically decreased, exponentially decreased. Then when I was first year, the strength was 2,500 of my college, of my year. Now it is less than 500. So students are going away from education because of this policy.
Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.